पूरी ओडिशा राज्य के चीफ इलेक्टोरल ऑफिसर आर.एस. गोपालन कहते हैं, हम सुदर्शन पटनायक के खूबसूरत सैंड आर्ट के लिए उनके शुक्रगुजार हैं। ओडिशा में एसआईआर 20 मई को शुरू हुआ। 30 मई से 28 जून तक हमारे बीएलओ घर घर जाएंगे। वे शाम को 3 से 5 बजे बूथ पर भी मौजूद रहेंगे। उनका काम 2025 रोल में सभी वोटर्स को एन्यूमरेशन फॉर्म बांटना, उसे भरवाना और वापस लेना है। फॉर्म वापस लेने के बाद ड्राफ्ट रोल 5 जुलाई को पब्लिश किया जाएगा। क्लेम और ऑब्जेक्शन फाइल करने की आखिरी तारीख 4 अगस्त हो गई।
Sudarshan Patnaik International Stand-Up is Sudarshan Patnaik is creating a beautiful stand-up on SIR. So what is your reaction on that?
We are thankful to Sri Sudarshan Patnaik for his beautiful sand art. In Odisha, SIR has started on 20th May. From tomorrow, 30th May to 28th June, our BLOs will be visiting house to house. They will be also available in the booth in the evening, 3 to 5. Their job is actually to distribute the enumeration form to all the voters in the 2025 roll, get it filled up and collect it back. After the forms are collected back, the draft roll will be published on 5th July. Then we will invite claims and objections. The last date for filing claims and objections is 4th August. After that, for 1 month, all the claims and objections will be heard, inquired into and disposed of, and the final roll will be published on 6/9/2026.
And any special instructions for the BLOs or citizens of Odisha?
First of all, I want to express my sincere thanks to our BLOs who have done an yeoman job, immense job. They have achieved 95% of mapping, which is unheard of anywhere in the country. It is only due to their hard work. They are taking it as a service to the nation, and I am really indebted to them. For people, my only request is, please do not believe the rumors. They are unfounded rumors. We will make sure that everything goes on as per rules and peacefully, and no genuine citizen will be harassed.
So here, too hot and humidity is also there. So any special restrictions?
Yes, the normal instruction on heat wave applies. That means that BLO should visit before 11 o'clock, and 3 to 5 he will be at the booth. 11 to 3 there will be no work. Thank you.